Hello, I am Mani Malarvanan. In this video, we will look into one of the analytic kit tool called Trial. In my previous videos, I explained how to create and start monitoring your user behavior using this trial tool. In this video, we will get into the in-depth details of how to do in-depth analysis on your users, those who are coming to your website or your decentralized application. So the main thing with the Analytic trial tool is to understand your customer behavior, how they are using your website. You can monitor and analyze your digital product. It could be your website, or it could be your decentralized application, or it could be a mobile application. Irrespective of the product that you are measuring using our Analytic SaaS platform, you can able to use this tool to identify your customer behavior, which page they are visiting, how often they are visiting, how long they are staying on the page. All the informations you can able to use it for your competitive advantage. So I'll be going back and forth between the tool and also the presentation. So right now you are seeing the trial tool in Analytic SaaS platform that I set it up some time back. See, the main thing you want to understand using this tool is to identify a starting page. You can change the starting page. In this case, the analytickit.com product, it's the starting page. From this starting page, if you want to identify how many users came to the starting page for the date range you provided, and then what exactly they did, which page they went, and how long it took them to go from this product page to the second page. And also, I have set it up 5 steps. This is the maximum steps. So basically, the each step is the page they are visiting on your website. If you have a 4 steps, then you are monitoring starting from the analytic product up to 4 pages they visited. That's the way the step works. And you can make it a 2 step, 3 step. Let me start with 5 steps, and then we can go to the 2 step, 3 steps. Here, the first step is the analytickit.com product page they visited. In this, it is showing as 16. That means the 16 times a user came into this product page. Again, the 16 could be the same users or only one user or 16 different users. By default, it shows the 16 as the total number of users came to this page on for this time date range. And then if you click this icon, it displays how many users, those who came into this page. Say, for example, right now it is showing only 2 users, 2 unique users. That means these 2 unique users generated the 16 times they came to this page during this time, November 25th, 2023 to February 23rd, 2024. So you can change this. I will show you how to do it. And then out of the 16 users, they progressed to the cohort page 3 users. And you can see how many users continued. From the 16, 3 users came to this page, and then another 3 users came to the funnel page, and then another 2 users came to the campaign, so on and so forth. You can able to identify all the informations using this tool, how they progressed from one page to the next page and how much time it took. Say, for example, if you click it here, it shows average time from the previous step is 43 seconds. If you are running a Web3 marketing campaign for your customers and you want to see how users are progressing from one page to another page and how much time they are taking between those 2 pages, you can able to use this tool to identify it. And if you are starting with this tool, I would say that start with 2 steps, so that it gives you a pretty direct informations how many users came into this product page. And from the 16 users, you can easily see 3 users went to the quad, 3 funnel, 2 to the other pages. And if you count all those, it will equal to the 16 users, those who came to this product page. And you can see how the users are progressing, where they are going from this product page. Are they going to the quad page, or did they are they confused, they're coming back to the product page? You can able to do this analysis using this tool. And say if I change to the 3 steps, it shows from the product page they went to the quad, and then it also shows the third step. Okay, from this quad page, one user went to the loyalty metrics, another user, uh, only one user progressed. And then if you click it here, you can see the 2 users are continuing, and then one user dropped. So you can able to identify what happened to this one user. And if you want to see who this one user, you can go and see this one user. And if you want to know more information about this one user who dropped, you can able to go and identify more details about that user, where they came from and what web page they did, what browser they used. And again, if you click this, it will take you to the visitors page, and you can find a lot more information about this particular user and what are all the events they generated and on the particular date, and what happened to them. Did they find any issue? Why they didn't progress to your next page? You can able to identify those information using this tool. So I'm going back to the trial tool. So that's the main thing you can able to identify using this trial tool. So as I shown in the tool, you can able to visualize the total number of users came to your first step, first page, and then what they did from the first page, which page they jumped. Did they go into the page that you are expecting them to visit, or they are jumping between the pages that you didn't know beforehand? You can able to use the tool. You can able to use the tool to identify those informations by seeing the data, and then using the tool, the visualization techniques that I showed. You can able to customize it based on your need. So another main thing is the customization. I'll tell you what I mean by that. See, right now, analytic.com/product is the starting page. You can change it. Say you want to change that to a different starting point. Right now, only these are all the URLs that are website pages that are available. Since it is the test site, I am using it. I have only 4 or 5. But if you have a complex website and if you have a lot of pages, then those URLs will be automatically created in our SaaS platform, and you can able to choose what is the starting point. Say you want to make it as the main web page as a starting point, you can do so, and then it will change the starting point as analytic.com, and you can see the total number of users, visitors came to this page during this 90 days time period also changed. And it shows you directly how many users came in, and you can view more information about the users. And it shows you total number of users who came there. And from this analytic.com, you can identify which pages they went. 13 users came to the product page, 5 users went to the blog site, and then 5 users went to the concepts page. So like that, you can able to customize based on your needs. Say you are running a marketing campaign for a NFT token launch, and then you are posting a link to social media platforms, and you want to identify starting from that page, where which page they went after visiting the link that you posted on the social media. You can able to identify it and then adjust your marketing campaign based on the traffic patterns. And another thing is, if you are seeing this more traffic is going to the second page, you can come up with some other strategy to post this page as your starting point, and then do more analysis if that is going to give you more visitors visiting your page, and then ultimately they are buying the NFT tokens that you are promoting for your customers. And again, as I said, you can able to choose which link you want to make it as a starting point and continue your analysis. And also there are even types. Page views are used for website. Since I am using this SaaS product for this demo to analyze the website, I've chosen page views. There are screen views. If you have a mobile application and you want to identify mobile users, how they are using your mobile platform, mobile decentralized application on the mobile platform, then you can able to choose select the screen views. The custom events, don't worry about it right now. We are still working on that feature and we are in testing it, and once it is available, then you can able to start using these custom events. For now, you can able to use these two page views, these two views to do your analysis. And also on the right side, the filters, I have explained in my previous videos what exactly these filters do, right? Right now, what you are seeing is the 90 for the 90 days, analytic.com as the starting point. Users, the visitors, those who use the Chrome browser, and they are visited from the country United States. And you can add more filters. And if you want to add a device, you can add a device a type also, whether those people are you want to narrow down the segmentation based on the device they are using, or the city within United States. You want to target, say, from Chicago, you can select the city name and you can choose whatever the city you want to use. If I want to delete, I can just delete it and I can just view the total number of users. See, if I delete the filters, the total number of visitors came to my website, the first link increased. So like that, you can customize based on your needs, and you can create the trial tool. And again, you can create multiple trial tools. Say, for example, if you want to compare between uh, city of Chicago versus city of say California, you can create two separate trial tools, and segment your customers and identify if you can able to pinpoint if there is any users, say people, users from Chicago are making more page views than California. You can identify those information using this tool. So as I explained, the segmentation is the one critical aspect. You can identify how many users came in for your page and where exactly they are progressing. Say if 60% of your users coming from the first page, they are going to the second, and then within that second page, maybe the 40% of 80% of the users are dropping down, then you want to identify what is going on the 60% of the users. Only 20% are getting converted. You can identify that using this tool. And if there is any issue in your digital product, or you can do anything else to decrease it, to gain more people converting and finally buying your NFT tokens. So the drop off I've shown in the tool, you can identify between the steps how many users are progressing to the second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, and then how many users are dropping off. And if you need, you can identify what is going on the users. You can identify and segment those users, those who are dropping off between the steps, and identify if there is anything you can able to find out the users, those who are dropping off. Maybe they are from a particular geography, they didn't like the NFT token, or they have some issue, there is some legal issue that they need to understand more, and you can send a mass email to those people and identify what is going on that particular region, and fix the issue to gain more customers buying your NFT tokens. So the tailoring the content and the pathways, right? So you can able to choose what is the starting point. If you have hundreds of links on your website, you can choose what is going to be the starting point. If you are running a marketing campaign for an initial coin offering for a company, then you are creating a special promotion page, and that would be the starting point. So it's nothing is fixed in this tool. You can customize based on the needs for your particular marketing campaign to retain the users. So, and also the another thing I've shown is the analyzing and streamlining the conversion process. Say you ultimately your goal is to make sure your users are getting what they need and then buying the NFT tokens, right? So it could be how much time they are spending on each page, and finally they are opening their wallet, entering the informations to send the tokens to buy the tokens, so that all the tokens will be registered in the Ethereum blockchain. So that is the ultimate goal for you. So this tool helps you to achieve those goals by identifying the barriers, what is going on between each steps. And if they are spending too much time between the steps, you can identify that information. And also, if more users are dropping off between the steps, you can identify where they are dropping off and why they are dropping off. Are they coming from a different region, different geography, different browser? All the informations you can able to identify and fix it, what is going on your digital product. So the main goal of the tool is to empower the your marketing campaign to retain the users and converting them to use your product in a shortest manner, to gain insight about the users, how they are using your digital products and what they need to achieve. It could be buying a token or a coin drop. Say you want to identify who are all the users who want to give the coin drop. So in that case, you can use the trial tool to give away the coin drops for the users, those you want to encourage them to build a community about your products that you are offering. So it could be a NFT you are launching, or a new token, or a subscription. Say you want to make sure that more users to subscribe your Web3 newsletter. You can use this tool to identify and make them to click the subscribe button. So that's all I want to explain in this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. And in my previous videos, I have mentioned how to create this tool. And if you have again any questions, please post a comment in YouTube, and also help us subscribe to this YouTube channel and help us grow the community. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Bye.